How to invite collaborators on Instagram private account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can invite collaborators on Instagram's private account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to invite collaborator and you have a private account, how do you do it without making your account public? So for this, first of all, I'm just going to open up my Instagram account here. Once I open my Instagram account, I'll just switch to a private account for now. So I'll go to settings, then I'll go to privacy, and right here in front of you I'll make sure to turn on my private account. Once I've turned on my private account, I'm going to close the Instagram app and then reopen them again. Once I've done that, what I will do is just tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen. As I tap the plus icon, of course, you have to select this option known as post. Select a post that you want to create. Tap the next option, tap the next option. In order to invite collaborator, what we have to do is just tap the tag people option, and right here you can see I have the invite collaborator option. So whether you have a professional account, a personal account, or a private account, doesn't really matter. As long as you're eligible, you will definitely be able to find the invite collaborator option, even if you or the person you're trying to invite has a private account. So you can tap the invite collaborators option here. Make sure to tap on the invite button, enter the name of the person that you're trying to invite. As and when you do that, the collaborator will get successfully invited, and you can share the same post on both of your stories, feeds, reels, and whatever else you prefer. So this way you can basically invite collaborators on Instagram even though you have a private account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.